welcome back to another video. Today we have a train. Crossing gates came down late. Okay, this train is going slow. Gang, it's so boring when it's slow, am I right? This train might be slowing down because another train is coming. Or somebody comment down below why this train is going so slow. I'm over here at milepost 315 in upstate New York, right near Port Byron. The zip code is 13140. I don't know if I'm supposed to tell that, but I mean, I'm not telling my address, so. But yeah, over here at milepost 315. Okay, this train is definitely slowing down because another one is coming. I wonder what the other train is. I might end this video and go back on the radio, but I kind of don't. Oh yay, a car is helping give the lights. Thank you, red truck. Thank you for shining on the beautiful train. It's just like God is giving us that beautiful moon right there. What a beauty that moon is. Gang, where's the end of this train? Sure, I love rail fanning, but I don't love it when I'm standing here in the cold and this thing is going 5 miles an hour. Bro, it's so slow. Bro, this is somehow not the end of the train yet. That means there is another one coming. Yo, should I let my intrusive thoughts win and jump on that train? Nah, I really shouldn't. YouTube, please don't demonetize me for saying that. That was just something I said. That's not something I would actually do. I'm not that kind of rail fanner. Not that type of rail fanner that that would derail a train too, like that other kid did. Bro, he ruined the whole rail fanning community for us. Like, bro. He's so corny too. Like, I watched the video and he's like, how you switch it back, bro? He's so corny. Like, he's genuinely a cornball. Yo, if this isn't the end of the train, I'm gonna get on my, like, belly and start hitting the sea line, bro. Gotta give it all to me. Should I throw a rock at these train cars? No, I shouldn't. I'm not gonna let my intrusive thoughts win. Yay, it's the end of the train. Finally. Yay, goodbye train. Hi Fred. Hi Fred, bye Fred. See you guys on the next one, peace.